Welcome back. Yes, this is the conclusive part of this video. I'm glad you were able to stay with me from the beginning, watching my step process on creating 2D animation, okay, using Vyond. Okay, it's quite easy, it's not complicated at all. I hope you enjoyed every bit of this class, and I hope if you have any question you'll be able to ask me. I also believe you'll be able to do your own 2D animation by yourself after watching this, coming from both the voiceover, either through AI or through your natural voice or through outsourcing to someone to do it for you. You'll be able to get voiceover and just match it with the animation for personal use or whatever need you may need it. Okay, this is a creative course, okay, to help you to add to your skills, and I hope I've been able to do that. So remember, you want to watch this over and over again to understand it better. Like I said, I'm going to be adding more little lectures in this course going forward, so it's not going to be a final full stop for this course. This course is going to be upgraded, updated frequently. Okay, so one thing I've not done yet was show you how to download your videos. As you can see, we already named it. If you've not named your video, make sure you do that so that you know your video. Then once you're done, you want to come over to this down arrow where it says download. Click on that, and you have two options, either to download it in 720p or in 1080. For this one, I'm going to be downloading full HD. Okay, so it's going to tell me to wait. We are generating your video now. We'll send you an email notification once ready. Okay, so this is quite easy. You don't need to do any other thing again. Once it's ready, you'll be able to download your video. You'll get an email notification that your high definition video is ready, and you can just go over and download it. So thanks again once more for watching this course. I really appreciate you. I really appreciate you guys for enrolling. Okay, as you can see, the video is ready for us to download, so just click on download and it's going to download for us. As you can see, it's not a super long video, it's just about 38 seconds. So you can see the video is ready, so I'm going to click on that and just play it right about now. Okay, open folder and just play it for us to see, and that will be the end of the course. So let's play it. Okay, once this loads up, we're going to play it, and that will be the end of this course for now. I'll be updating it later, like I said. So let's watch this and enjoy it. Hi, my name is David Oyisamoje, and I will be your course instructor on this course. In this 2D animation and whiteboard course, I will take you through the process of creating a. Remember when I told you about the glitching in the screen? I told you that was not going to appear on your final video. That's why you just saw character running out and it was not showing. Character, which is myself and my friend Chili, and then I will show you how to use us in this introduction video you are watching right now. So if this is something you want to know how to do, you want to know how to create engaging whiteboard and 2D animation video for your business or for businesses and for personal use, then make sure you enroll in this course right now. I will see you inside. Thank you for watching. God bless you.